Hey guys, welcome back, Okay guys, sorry, I had to switch over to voice recording because as you will see throughout the video, the husband and Emery did not care that I was recording. So all I'm doing first, y'all, is going in with that Anastasia Dip Brow in Auburn. And what I do is I use light-handed strokes to go over my eyebrow shape. I don't trace super hard. I just go in with the light-handed strokes, going over the exact same shape as my eyebrow. And if you have thinner brows or no brows, what you do is you trace out the shape of the brow that you want. You don't, and I shouldn't say trace, you don't go in harsh to, you go in with light strokes to get the shape that you want. And right now, as you see, I'm just going in between the brush and the dip brow to make it look more natural. And I do clean that up with the MAC NC45 Studio Concealer. But of course, you go in with the concealer of your choice. This is just to give it that sharper look, to make it look more natural. And I go in with my skin tone. You can go in with a shade lighter or a few shades lighter if you want your brow bone to pop more. But I do prefer a more natural look for my brows. And I blend that out with my fingers. Again, personal preference. Y'all know I like using the phalanges. But you guys can use a brush if you would prefer that. So what we're going to start out with for our eyes, we're going to start out with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And you just blend that in. Then go in with a black base. I'm using the NYX Black Bean as my base. You can use whatever black base you may have. If you don't like the black base, but I feel like it makes the gold pop more. If you don't like that base though, you can go in with a gold base also. And we're just blending that out. We're going to use the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. We're going to use Casablanca, Zulu, Ada, and for our inner corner, we're going to use Dahlia. So switching between brushes, I'm using Zulu and Ada. Very. Really, Elijah? Oh my God. Oh, hi, husband. So switching between a more dense blending brush and a looser blending brush, I'm going between Zulu and Ada. With the more dense brush, I'm using Ada. That's just to help that red pack onto the lid and pop out more. And with the more sparse brush, I'm going in with Zulu, which is a good transition color for me. You want to go in with a color that is better for your eye, for your skin tone. To help blend that out better for your transition color. Okay, guys, so we're gonna pack that color Casablanca all onto our lid. And I'm using just a regular flat concealer brush to pack this color on. Yes, I'm recording. What you mean? That's why I haven't been. I'm gonna just have to do a voiceover because you and your daughter. Y'all don't care. Okay, guys. So we're gonna continue to pack that color all over our lid. Now, if you want it to pop more, which I probably should have done, you go in with that color wet. So you just wet your. You're crazy. Again. So you just wet your brush, you guys, and you go into that color, and it helps make the color pop out more. It helps it look bolder, you know, more like, hey girl, I'm here. And after you've placed that color all over your lid, you want to blend again between both colors, the Ada and the Zulu. Okay, so for that smoky portion, I am going in with the MAC Warm Neutral palette and using the color Dance in the Dark. You can use whichever color you prefer. You can use a black, you can use a different, deeper brown. If you go in with black though, I would go in very light-handed to give it this nice romantic smoky look. And for the inner corner, I'm going in with Dahlia just to make our eyes pop a bit more. Hey guys, so all I'm using here are some Beauty Supply lashes, number 13, and some Demi Wispies. I just have them stacked together. I do have to cut the end off, however, to fit my eye shape, which most of us with hooded lids have to do. And I use my callus lash glue just to help those stay in place. The mascara I'm using is the They're Real Lash Mascara, and I'm using that on the upper lashes. My concealer is my normal old Studio Finish Concealer by MAC in NC45. And I'm just using those on the places where I want to either conceal or have pop a little bit more. And for our contour, I'm using the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in Deep. And for us thicker girls, again, we want to make sure we catch that neck. Okay guys, to help set my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. And again, I go in with my sponge damp because I don't want flashback on photos. And I personally feel that a damp sponge helps to set that powder better. Okay, for my bronzer, I'm going in with that Black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony. And again, I just feel like this powder specifically and the black coffee helps to bring the color and the life back into my face. So to help re-moisturize our face, I'm going in with that Makeup Fixing Mist by Pixi. If you have like MAC Fix Plus, that'll work, or whatever fixing mist you might have, that will also work. So under eye, I'm going in with Ada, very light-handed, just to give it that kind of smoky effect. And I'm also using my Perversion pencil by Urban Decay to help smoke that waterline out a little bit more. That sample from MAC that I received on my lower lashes, again, to help with that smoky effect. Okay guys, so once we are done with that, I'm going to go in with the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina Diamond Glow Powder in Le Bronze. And of course, we put that all over the places that we want to pop out more, that we want to glow more. Cheeks, nose, brows, upper lip, Cupid's bow, chin, wherever you want to pop, girl, place this powder. Okay, so the color we're using for our lips is called Lingering Kiss by MAC. I love this color. I love fall lips, period. Let me take it back. And then we use Night Moth to trace that out. And help keep it in place. And then we use our Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to help keep us together for the evening, for the day, for the night, honey. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this tutorial. Y'all know the drill. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below or inbox me on Instagram, and y'all know I get back with you as soon as I can. Bye, guys.